What if you could vote in a company without even attending the meeting? From your phone, from anywhere in the world. That's the power of e voting. Welcome to Corporate and Securities Law Compass. I'm CS Prasad Khopkar. Today, we decode the most modern voting mechanism in corporate law. Section 108 Voting through Electronic Means. Let's break it into provision, explanation, practical examples. Under Section 108 of the Companies Act 2013, the central government prescribes which companies must provide e-voting, how the system should work, notice requirements, sent via post or email, placed on company website, must include login details, voting process, time period, time window, minimum 3 days, closes at 5 p.m. before meeting day. Important rules. Once vote cast cannot be changed. No double voting allowed. Scrutinizer appointment. Independent professional, CA, CS या advocate. Ensures fair process. Result declaration scrutinizer report submitted. Chairman declares result. Published on website. Now let's simplify. What is e-voting? Voting through electronic system. No physical presence required. Why was it introduced? Convenience, transparency, wider participation. Benefits to shareholders. Vote from anywhere. No travel required. More participation. Comparison with other methods. Show of hands. One person, one vote. Poll. Based on shares. E-voting. Digital plus share-based. Role of scrutinizer. Verifies votes, ensures accuracy, maintains fairness. Security aspect. Votes remain confidential. No one sees results before counting. Governance impact. Prevents manipulation, strengthens democracy. Let's bring this to life. Example 1. Mr. Prasad Khopkar. He receives login details, votes online before AGM, no need to attend. Example 2. Listed company. Company must provide e-voting, mandatory. Example 3. Vote locked. He votes yes, cannot change later. Example 4. No double voting, votes online. Attends meeting, cannot vote again. Example 5. Confidential voting. Votes remain secret. Even chairman cannot see. Example 6. Scrutinizer. CA checks votes, submits report. Example 7. Public result. Company uploads result. Transparent. Section 108 ensures digital participation, secure voting system, transparent results, strong shareholder democracy. E-voting brings corporate decision-making into the digital age. For more powerful corporate law breakdowns, like, share, subscribe. This is Corporate and Securities Law Compass. See you in the next concept. Disclaimer. Viewing this video or accessing the content on this channel are free and does not create any professional, advisory, or client relationship between the speaker and the viewer. The content is shared solely for general educational and informational purposes. The speaker is a member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI. However, the information provided in this video should not be construed as professional advice, consultancy, or opinion under any law or regulation. Viewers should not rely solely on the information provided in this video for making legal, financial, regulatory, or compliance decisions. Any person intending to rely upon or act on the information contained herein should independently verify the relevant provisions of law and, where appropriate, Seek professional advice from a qualified professional. The speaker, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI, or any organization या listed company with which the speaker may be associated shall not be liable for any direct or indirect loss, damage, or consequences arising from reliance on the information provided in this video or channel. The content shared on this channel is based solely on publicly available information, general legal provisions, and academic discussion of corporate and regulatory frameworks. The speaker confirms that no unpublished price-sensitive information (UPSI), confidential information, or proprietary information of any listed company or organization has not been disclosed or discussed in any video or content on this channel. The views expressed in the videos are personal academic interpretations for educational purposes only and are not connected with or derived from any confidential information obtained through employment, professional engagement, or association with any listed company or organization. Nothing contained in this channel should be interpreted as market advice, investment advice, or insider information under the applicable provisions of securities laws, including the SEBI Prohibition of Insider Trading Regulations 2015. Viewers are advised that the information shared is purely for general educational awareness and should not be relied upon for investment decisions, trading decisions, or regulatory compliance without consulting appropriate professionals and official sources.